Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. This one that is about 3x to the power of 2. Number 12 that is about 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2. So we have 3x and we have 3x. That means we need to have number 2. So this one should be about 4 plus 9. And now this one that is about identity. So we have 3x minus number 2 to the power of 2. Now we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about 3x minus 2 equal to 3 times t, because if I put this one go in here, we have 9 times t squared, number 9, we can do about factorization, tan t squared plus 1, we change secant of t squared, and later that we simplify by dx. Next, we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of x, we have number 1. First derivative of number 2, this is about the constant. So you got about 0 in here. First derivative of tan t, we have secant of t squared dt, and later that we simplify number 3 for the both sides. Next, because we have x, so we have x in here, that means I will put negative number 2 go to the right, and later that we divide both sides by number 3. So I will put this one go in here. S we change by this one. The S we change by this one. This one we have 9 times t squared. Number 9, we can do about factorization. So this one we change secant of t squared, and later that we simplify on numerator and denominator. Next, I will put number 9 go outside, and now we just have this one in here. So number 3 divided by 3, 2 divided by 3. So number 5 multiplied by tan t and 2 over 3. So number 3 plus 10 over 3, we have 19 over 3. And tan t, we know that sin t over cosine t. And now we have the final answer. The integration of 19 over 3, we have 19 over 3t. The integration of sin t over cosine t, we have negative number 5 ln of the absolute value of cosine t. And then I will put about c. Now about t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by number 3. So we have 3s minus number 2 over number 3. And we have t equals to arctan of this one. And now we need to change t into this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.